Today, I'm going to be showing you how to construct a compare and contrast diagram from one of our preloaded templates in Inspiration 10. Upon opening up Inspiration, you'll be met with this startup window. Navigate to the Templates icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the window. Click to select and navigate to the Science folder. Double-click to select, in which you will find a list of scientific-related templates. Then click Compare and Contrast from the list. Then you can select Open from the bottom right hand corner of the window. This will then open up the template with which we will be making a compare and contrast diagram on nuclear fission and fusion. Firstly, we can customize the general view of the diagram by navigating to the toolbar at the very top of the screen, selecting Effect, then choosing Background Color to change the color of the background. Next, we can input the two topics we will be comparing by changing the text of the main symbols. By selecting the symbols, I can change the design using the toolbar on the left-hand corner of the screen to suit the central ideas. By double-clicking the title box at the top of the screen, I can change it to better suit the topic of the diagram. I can then change the color of the text to make it more legible by highlighting and navigating to the text color symbol on the bottom toolbar. I can also do this to add visual cues to the similarities and differences subtopics below. By double-clicking each symbol, I can now go ahead and start entering the main content of my compare and contrast diagram, listing the similarities and differences between nuclear fission and fusion. To make any new entries, select the symbol to which it is associated, hold the Control button on your keyboard and click in an open space to quick add a new symbol. From here, I can create and type out any new entries I need to the diagram. Additionally, I may need to add extra information to an entry without convoluting my diagram. By clicking the relevant symbol and navigating to the Note tool at the top of the screen, I can add extra detail. By highlighting text, I can also add hyperlinks by selecting the Hyperlink button on the same toolbar to link to useful web pages such as the one on nuclear fusion. By left-clicking and holding, I can drag any symbol to rearrange the layout. Hold down the Shift keyboard key to select multiple symbols and use the color buttons on the bottom toolbar to change the symbol color. Here I'm going to use the colour green to associate with similarities and the colour red to associate with differences, so as to reinforce my understanding of the two. To highlight the comparison and contrasting sections, I can also shift select the connecting arrows and customize their thickness using the thickness toggle on the bottom toolbar, as well as changing their colour. By customizing the template in this way, my knowledge on the subject becomes much more coordinated and easier to read and revisit later on.